Hi there. What we'd like to do today is just to teach you how to joint a chicken, something that many people take for granted. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to actually cut around the skin of the legs, just there, just not all the way through, just right there and there. And basically what we're trying to do is we want to expose the joint, okay? So we pull it away, and what you do, take your finger over there, down there, and you just pull the joint out, okay? Exactly the same on the other side. Pull the joint out of the socket there. There you have your joints exposed. What we want to do now is turn the chicken around, okay? Take your knife and basically using the carcass, you just cut it away there like that, okay? And as I say, we've used all that meat and skin there, this time from this side, and we cut around there. Use the carcass as your guide, and you know that you're not losing any of the flesh. There we go. What we want to do now is we want to separate our thigh from our drumstick. The joint is just in there. Run your knife around there, and there we go, through there like that. Take your drumstick, just cut around the edge there, and keep the knife on the bone. Just pull it away there, and then just with the back of your knife, there we go, we cut through the bone there. There's your thigh. Once again, cut through there, okay? Keep your knife on the bone, just push the flesh back, and then with the back of your knife, give it a firm chop, and there you got your drumstick, okay? Okay, the next thing we want to do is we want to be able to get our breast off without losing as much of the flesh as possible. So what we do, we just cut along the wishbone there. The wishbone is in there. Cut along it there, and then cut along it there. There we go, okay? And then just slowly take the wishbone and just pull it out. Okay, there we go. That's it. And there's your wishbone. Okay, what we're going to do now, we take our knife and we run it along the back, okay, the breastbone, and just gently ease the breast away as we're cutting along. Ease the breast away, and ensuring that the joint is there, and joint is exposed, and there we got our breast off there. Do exactly the same on this side. Turn it around, ease the breast away from the carcass as you're going along, okay? There we go. And once again, the joint is exposed, okay? And all you need to do is just slice through. And there we have our two breasts, okay? Stop. The next thing is, what we want to do is for a chicken supreme, we just cut through there, cut through the joint there, okay? We've got our chicken wing there, you can cut through there. We've got a little wing there that we're going to put aside, and we'll go through that in a second. Once again, through there, pull it away, and the joint is exposed. Take that off there, and cut through there. Then, for the chicken supreme, we got our supreme there. We just take it, just slice it away there like that, and there we go. And there we have our supreme. And what we want to do is just take that little sinew right out of the fillet, if you leave the fillet on, okay? There we go. And exactly the same on the next one. Take it, slice away that, there. There we go. And take away the excess flesh there. Once again, that little sinew bone, you don't want that in there. That sinew, you don't want that in there in your breast. Just pull that out. You can take it and just lightly trim your breast off there. Okay, there we go. And once again, exactly the same here. Just trim the skin off. Okay, here we go. Okay, so here we go. There's our chicken supremes. Really nice, succulent, they're really nice. And that's great for so many dishes. Chicken Kiev being one, we love chicken Kiev. Okay, or just nice grilled chicken supremes. We got our 2 thighs, really great for casseroles, cassoulets, or even for the barbecue. Really nice for the barbecue. We got a little drumsticks trimmed off nicely. Okay, once again, so many different things. Crumbed chicken drumsticks, lovely. And also once again in cassoulets and casseroles, really nice. And we got our little chicken wings off. Obviously, if you don't want a supreme, you can just take that piece of chicken wing off and you can just add it there. And then finally, here we got a nice amount of bones. And the bones that we have here should produce, with a little bit of leek, carrot, bay leaf and so on, and onion, should produce around about 1 liter of really good quality chicken stock or chicken soup. Great. There we go. We've showed you how to joint a chicken. My old chicken, there's so much you can do with a chicken, so many different uses for each and every joint. And what a pleasure to cut up your own chicken. You know what you've got. More importantly, a lot better value for money. Keep it cooking, and till next time, thank you.